Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my embellished life. In today's episode, I have some happy mail that I would like to share with you, and that is Mimi G's book, Make It Yours with Mimi G. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get in it. I am so happy that I finally have this book in my hands. You guys know that I love Mimi G. I love, love, love Mimi G. And when she first announced her book and they were taking pre-orders, I completely forgot to do a pre-order. And it was on the back of my mind somewhere back there, and I completely forgot about the book until the other day when I was in Instagram, and I can't remember. I think it was Mimi G was doing a reel, making something from out of the book, and I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot to purchase the book. So I ran to Amazon and I bought the book, and it's here, and I got it, and I am so happy now. I've already started to go through the book, just flipping through the pages and skimming through some of the stuff that is inside the book. And I can tell you right now that I am absolutely impressed by what I'm seeing so far. Now, I own quite a few sewing books. I do, because I love purchasing books. I do, although I also do have them on Kindle as well. There's something about a hard copy that I like, because I do like writing in my books. I do. I enjoy making notes in my book, highlighting, and all of that. And I just love turning the pages as well. So yes, I'm so impressed from what I'm seeing so far. She actually takes you on a sewing journey with this book. And she talks about, she gives a little bit of background history about her Mimi G and her personal sewing journey, where she was and her come up and her blow up, which is also inspirational to hear. She talks about the different tools and notions and fabric requirements that you will need for sewing, which is a plus. I mean, especially the part with the section with the fabric, when she explains, different fabric and the characteristic and all of that. Woo! I'm so excited about this book. And she talks about the different techniques, and she explains some of them in her book. And then she goes into, the techniques that you need to when you're using sewing via patterns, how to take your body measurements, how to choose your pattern size, and the different terminologies and terms in for pattern making and stuff like that. Because let's be honest, it's a language all by itself. And she takes her time to go through each and every one of these. And then also, there are patterns. She provides patterns in the book as well. So at the back, there's an envelope that has multiple patterns in it. And I'm not going to show exactly everything in the book, because of course it's a purchase book. And yeah, and I'm just going to show you some pictures. There's inspirational pictures of Mimi G out of the different patterns that actually provided in the back of the book. And she also shows you how to hack these different patterns in order to create something different that suits your style and your personality. And this is one of the main things of this book is actually a sewist guide to a custom made wardrobe. So she teaches you how to hack and how to get comfortable with it. And I am so happy. Right now, to be honest, I will definitely, like, you guys know I love my wide leg trousers, and I am definitely going to try the wide leg trouser in this book. So this is her palazzo pants pattern that's in the book, and from the looks of it, it's similar to the simplicity. Oh my goodness, I don't want to say the wrong number, so I'll put it up. My favorite wide leg pattern that I did for her. It looks similar to that pants pattern, but I do want to try it out. I do. Yes, I'm so intrigued about it. And other things that's as in the book that I'm so intrigued about is that she does provide inspiration throughout the book on the different hacking techniques that she used to create different garments. So, for instance, this this picture right here with the peplum top. That picture, she shows how she made this top from a wrap dress. And she showed you how she styled it. She provides the instructions for it, and there are similar other pieces that she's done as well in in the book. There's one in particular. I'm trying to see if I can find it. This one, this one, this dress. Now, I'm not sure how it's going to look on me because obviously it's low waisted, but I want to take a chance on it. The original pattern was a shirt, was a top, and she showed you how she hacked it to create this dress. And so, yeah, I'm absolutely loving this book so far. I do want to sit down and actually go through this book. I am so excited. So, if you guys haven't picked up this book as yet, I encourage you to do so. And it's Make It Yours by Mimi G. I am so excited to have this a part of my sewing library. Yes. So, I'm about to do some damage in this book. And of course, I'll take you along with the journey, on the journey with me. Yes. So that's all that I have today. I'm so happy with my happy meal. Yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with my other crafting shenanigans. And most definitely, you will actually see some of the shenanigans that I get up to while using this book. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get started. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling and always remember to make beautiful things. All right, lovies, I'm out of here. Bye.